So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can set up a new Samsung Galaxy M35. So let's kind of begin. So presently I have unboxed the Samsung phone and I have inserted the pin using the SIM tray out here. And next steps first. So I am presented with this screen wherein I can select the language. Obviously English being the default language, we have selected that and we are tapping on start. Next is basically a review of user license agreements. You can agree to all and then tap on agree. Then basically if you are switching from an old device, you can at this point of time you can like decide to like transfer data from the old device to this device. So you can basically this scan QR code, whatever you have here, you are required to scan this QR code from the old device so that all the data from that device is then taken on to this device. I will skip this as of now, and we are basically selecting the Wi-Fi network. So this is the Wi-Fi network which I want. I will put in the password. So once we have put in the credentials, we are now making the device connect to the existing Wi-Fi network. Now the phone will be getting ready. We obviously are required to do a few little more things like setting up a screen pattern and things like that. Today we won't be doing that. I just want to just do a quick tutorial on getting your phone ready, and later on maybe explaining to you the different settings and also on how you can transfer data from an old device onto this new device. So the phone is getting ready right now. You can at this point obviously decide to copy apps and data, for which we have to tap next. So I will be tapping on next, and then we are to use an app called as Smart Switch, which you can do right now or you can do later on as well. So we will copy the apps and data later on. I basically want to do a quick setup tutorial for the Samsung Galaxy M35. But the idea here is when you have an old device, you and especially a Samsung device, you download Smart Switch on that and have it updated here as well, and then use the app to transfer data. Maybe we will have a separate tutorial. Now next is you log in using your Google credentials. So I will be doing that and then resuming. So I have put in my Google credentials and everything, and yeah, we will now basically just have a skip. Okay, I will add this account onto this device. So the Google account is getting added onto my Samsung Galaxy M35. And the account info is being fetched. So Google services and everything is getting loaded. So here you can see what all Google features like device backup, location and all other things can be accessed and can be used. You can tap on accept in case you want to use all of this. You also require to search, have a default search engine. In my case, I prefer having Google as my default search engine, and I tap on next. You can decide to protect your phone obviously using fingerprints and pin and every other thing, but you can also decide to give it a skip. I will skip it as of now. And well, this is Google Assistant. As of now, I don't want to have it added. So you can access your Google Assistant without unlocking the device, but presently I don't want to have Google Assistant on this. So you can also add Samsung account onto your Samsung phone. So you can sign in with Google or sign in with QR code or anything like that. I will presently sign in with my Google account. So I'm basically signing on to my Samsung account using my Google account. Just agree to all the terms and conditions here and then basically say okay. You will be getting a code to your Galaxy M51. So once we have put in the code, we are simply verifying this so that we are signed into the Samsung account as well. We tap on agree. We can change our display modes. We can keep it light, we can keep it dark. I will prefer to keep it light. And the phone is being set right now. So we can get recommended apps or we can also skip it. So we tap on next. And there you go. We are all set up and done. Finish. So you can decide to agree to all the Samsung services. So your language is English. I can decide to do this later. Have discovery, exit app setup, yes. And this is basically my phone, and you can see how it looks. So this is how you would be setting up your Samsung Galaxy M35. We will be doing the basic configuration and all those things like we do with all other devices shortly from now. So this is all from my side. Until next time, it's me Aman signing off. Have a great day, and please do subscribe to our channel.